Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add media to OnlyFans quickly and easily. So, let's get started. To begin, log into your OnlyFans account and head over to your homepage. At the top of your feed, you'll see a box that says Compose New Post. This is where you can upload photos, videos, or even audio files. Click on the media icon to select the type of media you want to add. You can choose files from your device or take new photos or videos directly from your camera if you are using a phone. After selecting your media, you can write a caption, add pricing if it's paid content, and even schedule the post if you want it to go live later. If you are posting a video, make sure it's under the platform size limit. Once everything looks good, just hit the post button and your media will go live on your OnlyFans page. And that's it. Now you know how to add media to OnlyFans. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.